Hey guys, Trevor and Sean here from IBEXX. We're doing a quick install on some ice scratchers on a G5. So here is my links. This is the finished product. What it's gonna look like all said and done. It's all in the factory locations. So you're gonna take all the factory stuff off and we're gonna show you how to do all that right on the other side. All right, here we are on the other side. So to get this apart, we're gonna need a 13 for both of those, and then behind it there's a nut. So you're gonna get your socket on here, your wrench on there, that's gonna come off. And then this little guy, this is the 10 on the back. So we're gonna get a 10mm wrench on the back of that, undo that nut, and these come right off. All right, so Sean has got his 13mm socket, 13mm wrench, and now we're gonna go ahead and pull off the stock scratchers. One. Now on the other side, we couldn't do that because the wheel is in the way. So the other side I had to have I had to put the wrench on the one side and then I just got a ratchet for the back side, so you can't use power tools on that one as easy. So that is the only difference so far. So now Sean's gonna grab a 10 and we're gonna pull that part off. So Sean's gonna get behind there with his 10mm wrench. Kind of see it back in there. And he's gonna pull that off. So now that it's most of the way loose, he's just getting the last little bit done. And there she is, she's off. So now, just like at the start of the video, on the tools list, we are gonna need a 5/16 drill bit, because we are drilling this hole out to fit our bigger bolt that goes through. So, yep. Done, easy enough. So now, we're gonna go get all the parts and get everything installed. So here is the actual scratcher. It comes with the 13mm bolt and nut assembled. So Sean's just gonna pull that apart. I'm gonna come over here and line it up. Now on the bottom of the scratcher, you're gonna notice that there is an indent right here. That sits up against your track there, your skid. So what you can do is you can look in there, see right through. He's gonna drop that in and we're just gonna tighten it up. Bam, nice and tight. So here is the little holder that this goes on. Now these are reversible, so it doesn't matter forward, backward, don't have to worry about it. Now that hole's drilled out like a glove. Now we're a little OCD, so what we're gonna do is make sure that the goat is lined up exactly how we want, and then just tighten it from the back. All right, now that that's tight, your scratcher goes just like that. All right, there you go. That easy to install your scratchers. Took us about, what, 15 minutes to do both sides? Very simple, very quick, very easy. So if you have questions, make sure you give us a call. The number's gonna be below. You can go to our website. Whatever helps. So give us a call if you have questions, and we hope you enjoyed it.